another thing, you probably can't hear it through the microphone, but I added weights to these chessmen so they have a much more substantial feel in the hand. Like, look at that. Oh, hang on. Look at how I can balance that bishop on my finger like that. You can't do that with an unweighted bishop, okay? And I admit my chess autism, it seems to be such that the thunk of placing a piece on the board is like half of what gets me excited about playing chess. The thunk. I just realized I'm setting my knights and my bishops up in the wrong spot. Yeah. The thunk is very important to me. And at a certain, at a later date, maybe I'll do just a video showing different types of chess pieces and their respective thunks. Boy, that would be a level of autism that I'm not sure the world is even prepared for. I might have to like film that one and then sit on it for a couple of years before the social environment is like ready for such a thing. Well, of course you still have to use your imagination. You gotta imagine the clipboard. Each player has a removable clipboard there and there. You've got your space here for alternative rules with a glass stone and a slot for on-off. If you want to get crazy, you want to do like, for instance, friendly fire. Let's play a game with friendly fire on, where you can capture your own pieces if you feel like it. You know, wacky stuff like that. And then down here, you've got paragraph, 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 en passant, pawn promotion, castling. And you have your stone with the two spots corresponding to each one of those. And, well, I've enjoyed working on this project today and making this video. If anybody happens to see it, I hope you enjoy watching it. And I'm going to get up and turn off the camera now.